Okay, this video is just to show that the fire alarm activated last night. It shows my bedroom there, that's into alarm. The Apollo Orbis. It's there. Just turn the light off. Just up there. I literally had no idea how it activated. I was just on the computer messaging people on Facebook and checking my Facebook. And then 5-10 minutes later, the fire alarm activated, and this was at 12 o'clock in the morning. Around there, 11:30 or 12 o'clock. And this literally scared me, because I literally thought there was a fire, and disabled the sounder circuits, just in case it did reactivate. And I wasn't using my e-cigs. I refilled this last night. I refilled it and put it on charge the time I was messaging people, and then 5-10 minutes later, all hell broke loose. And this one literally scared me, because this one's on full blast because it's in a bedroom, and sometimes I listen to music through my earphones, through one earphone actually, not both. And in case it was to wake me up in an emergency, it would need to be very loud to make me hear it properly. So yeah, it's just to say that this detective activated the system, but I don't know the cause and why it did it. But I'm still investigating. Hopefully I do, and I'll catch you in the next video.